Good morning, friends. We discussed the sequence of tense a few days ago, and we discussed so many other important grammatical constructions. If you are satisfied with my videos, I request you to kindly click the bell icon and subscribe to my channel. It's a request based on your satisfaction. Today we are discussing yet another very simple thing. Though it is very simple, as students are not told of its importance, they usually plunge into troubles. The chapter that we are going to discuss is called the simple, compound, complex and complex compound sentences. It's a very simple thing. What's a simple sentence? Before that, why such a division is made, or what is the basis on which such a division is made? According to the clause structure, sentence is divided into 4 groups as simple, compound, complex and compound complex sentences. You know what is a clause? Clause is a group of words with a subject and a predicate which forms part of a larger sentence. For example, he was tired and he fell asleep. Sentence is he was tired and he fell asleep. There are 2 clauses in it. He was tired and he fell asleep. Those clauses can stand alone. A clause which can stand alone and completely convey the meaning, it is called a main clause. Suppose we restructure that sentence once again. For example, suppose we say, as he was tired, he fell asleep. Even then there are 2 clauses. He fell asleep and as he was tired. But as he was tired cannot complete that meaning fully. It depends on the other clause for complete the meaning. A clause which is dependent on the other clause is called a dependent clause or subordinate clause. And he fell asleep is the main clause, it can stand alone. So, a sentence which can, a clause which can stand alone is called a main clause. Simple sentences are a group of words with a subject and a finite verb. Or we can put it, all main clauses are simple sentences because it contains a subject and a finite verb. Therefore, it is called a simple sentence. For example, we may say, the sky is blue. The sky is the subject, blue is the predicate. Next, suppose we say that is the annual sports will be held next month. The annual sports is the subject, will be held next month is the predicate. It is a simple sentence. Then what is a compound sentence? Compound sentences are made with the help of coordinating conjunctions. To conjunct means connected together. Coordinating conjunctions are and, but, yet, still, not only but also, either or, neither nor or, etc. If 2 main clauses are joined together with a coordinating conjunction, it becomes a compound sentence. He was tired, so he fell asleep. He was tired and he fell asleep. This is a compound sentence. He was tired, he fell asleep. 2 independent clauses connected with the and so. And let us take another sentence. For example, John went to the station and boarded the train. John went to the station and boarded the train. There are 2 clauses. John went to the station. As John himself is the subject, We are not repeating it after the coordinating conjunction. Therefore, we say John went to the station and boarded the train. There are two clauses. John went to the station and John boarded the train, which was connected with the and. A subject are the same. The second subject is removed. It is a compound sentence. That is, she went to Madras, got her visa and came back. She went to Madras, got her visa and came back. She went to Madras, main clause. She got her visa, main clause. She came back, main clause. All these clauses are joined together with the and therefore it is a compound sentence. So, definition of a compound sentence is that is, two or more main clauses joined together with a coordinating conjunction is called a compound sentence. Now, what's a complex sentence? In a complex sentence consists of one main clause or one or more subordinate clauses. One main clause or one or more subordinate clauses. Its number can be anything. For example, we may say, when I went there, he was asleep. There are two clauses. When I went there, he was asleep. He was asleep is a clause which can stand alone. So it is a main clause. When I went there, the meaning is not complete. It gets its complete meaning because it joins with the he was asleep. So when I went there is a subordinate clause. There is a main clause and a subordinate clause. Therefore, it is a complex sentence. In the same manner, for example, when Gopal collected the hay and Ram was milking the cow. When Gopal collected the hay, Gopal collected the hay, Govind milked the cow. Here, when Gopal collected the hay, that meaning is not complete. And at that time, Govind was milking the cow. So, there is a one main clause and a one subordinate clause. It is a complex sentence. When Gopal collected the hay, Govind milked the cow. Compound complex sentence means at least a sentence consisting of two or more main clauses and at least one subordinate clause. A compound complex should contain two main clauses and at least one subordinate clause. Therefore, old grammarians called it as double sentence. Double sentence. For example, while the man played harmonium, the boys danced and the girls sang. So there are three clauses there. The boys danced, main clause. The girls sang, main clause. While the man played the harmonium, subordinate clause. Two main clauses with a subordinate clause constitute what is called compound complex sentence. Compound complex sentence. Just not only important points, and then we will study how to make the compound sentences, complex sentences, or simple sentence, how to transform a compound complex sentence into a simple sentence and a simple sentence into a compound sentence, etc. That we will discuss in our next video. Thank you very much.